This is the universal lifter. To install the universal lifter, decide what and where you want to lift. Make sure you have enough room to do so, and that whatever you are lifting weighs 100 pounds or less. The universal lifter comes with SmartTrack for mounting it to your ceiling. It is vital that your SmartTrack be properly secured to your studs to ensure safe operation. See our stud finding video here to help you find the studs in your ceiling. To operate the universal lifter, you'll also need to install a power adapter. The power adapter has 6 feet of cord, as well as a 3-foot DC cable to power the MyLifter. Take this into account as you choose the location for your lifter. Once you've found the stud or studs and chosen the location for your SmartTrack, use the included drill bit. Drill 2 holes for the SmartTrack and screw in the lag screws using a wrench or ratchet, as the drill could damage the screws and the holes they are in. Mount your MyLifter to the SmartTrack using the pins. Install the power adapter using the universal mount on the back. Mount the power adapter to the SmartTrack and plug it into the nearest outlet. Then, using the DC cable, connect the power adapter to the MyLifter. With the lifter powered up, you're ready to pair it to the MyLifter app. Download the app to your smart device, and with Bluetooth turned on, press the pair button on the MyLifter. The yellow flashing light will turn green, and the name of the MyLifter will appear in the available lifters menu. Tap the lifter's name, and it will move to the newly paired section. Go back to the MyLifter menu, and tap the name of the MyLifter. This is the remote screen for the MyLifter. You can make the MyLifter cable go up or down, set high points and low points, as well as monitor the load on the MyLifter. Push the down button, and the MyLifter will let out some of its cable. Each MyLifter has 23 feet of steel reinforced cable. Run the cable through one side of the universal bracket and out the other side. To attach it to the SmartTrack, you'll need to position the carabiner so that it is 2 holes away from the end of the MyLifter with the DC input. The carabiner needs to be on the same side of the SmartTrack as where the cable comes out of the MyLifter. Once completed, your cable should be almost vertical on either side of the lifter. Be sure to use the track covers to make your install look its best. To attach whatever item you'll be lifting to the universal lifter, use the included straps. Wrap them around the item and hook the straps onto the bracket. Tighten the straps, and using the app, lift the item off the ground a short distance. You may need to adjust the straps for better balance. You're now ready to use your universal lifter. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. And be sure to visit our website for more products that will make your garage even smarter.